we go. You know, I ain't smoking on no dro. Coming through, dripping chrome. My nigga fucking 940 is home, so listen right up as I'm rolling up this kush. And I'm covered in money, cause you know a nigga push. And I ain't feeling nice, my nigga, I'm feeling mad, cause I got this fucking ice, but they didn't give me a gram. But I twist it up, and I'm rolling, and I'm burning, and I'm in my fucking car, and I'm pistol whip turning, nigga. What you doing, nigga? You acting really stupid, but your girl in love with me like she hit by Cupid. But only thing I pull is those fucking triggers, and I'm coming right through with all my white niggas busting figures, and we banking, and you know we cashing out, and you know I don't care, cause all I smoke is loud, and you see me in my car, yeah, I'm really faded. Yeah, you might see it might be a fucking Mercedes, and it look like I'm sitting on a cloud, but you know it's cause I'm fucking smoking, blowing loud. From the 903, yeah, fucking dirty south. My nigga, what you doing with all that gold in your mouth? Fucking white boy staying trill. All I do is chill, and you know I hang with killers. What the fuck's the deal? My nigga hit up my phone, and you know you got my number, and I got your fucking girl, and we chill like cucumbers, and we in the store. You know she wants some more, cause I gave her this dick, and you know it made her roar really motherfucking loud. I get it in the back seat, cause my niggas roll with me, and all we do is tweak, cause we get that fucking good shit. Yeah, they call it shard. You hit it 2-3 times, and you act retard. Yeah, going through, and I'm hitting it really quick, and I come through, and all I hit is licks, cause I'm all about them stacks. I keep them rubber backs, I don't fucking care, cause you know I'm in the trap. Got them Xanax, you know I got them bars, you know I'm locked up, and you got me thinking hard. My mind is fucking going, and it's going really crazy, and I hit that pipe, and I'm the opposite of lazy. Nigga got me up all night, nigga got me fucking thinking, and got me fucking in the window, yeah, got me peeking, mess with my brain, made me go insane, but I gotta give me some more, cause my nigga got gripping grain. Yeah, I'm rolling through, and I'm stealing really gangster. Yeah, you get in my face, you running like a flanker. Got so much money that I should be a fucking banker. Yeah, you know that your girl fucking thank ya for the job I did. I call it true service, all about them customers. Yeah, you know I gotta hurtin', stretch it out, bend it all around. Yeah, you know that I'm laughing like a clown. My nigga, when I come through your town, nigga, best be ready to fucking blow that shit down. Lil Kippy, what's up?